So guys, welcome back to the vlog.
अब ये भी मुझे सिखाना पड़ेगा आपको।
पता नहीं क्या हो गया। अच्छा, जो ये एक्साइटेड। हाँ, एक्साइटेड तो हूँ क्योंकि हम लोगों ने एक रेगुलर कैब बुक किया था मगर हमें मिला है
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है।
अंग्रेजों के जमाने का टैक्सी।
So beautiful.
And it's so cool and so clean, so beautiful.
And it's so spacious.
हाँ,
लोग मतलब
I mean,
show them.
ये देखो,
Show them.
ये देखो, इतना स्पेशियस है।
So special.
नीचे बिस्तर बना के सो सकते।
Exactly. It's
परिवार वाले आए तो यहाँ सुला दो।
And the best part is you don't have to pay like a very luxury for this. It's just so minimal. I mean,
this is the best thing.
Yeah.
So far, apart from something that we did yesterday, जो आपने नहीं तो ब्लॉग में देखी होगा। So हाँ, and अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं सिटी टूर करने।
This person was so interested about cars and he's a very car enthusiast and he was so awestruck when he saw this car.
I mean,
Yeah.
मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा। I mean, proper car आपको दिखाऊंगा। It looks so cool. I mean, you would not have asked anything else on your special day.
Yeah, because I think in our place with this fare you get a very like
A mediocre,
minimal, like
a mediocre.
just
No, you get an SUV. You get an SUV.
you don't get SUV in
Yeah,
this
yeah.
fare.
Yeah.
SUV.
हाँ जी।
Okay.
Because हमें ये
But
सोचना
because of
पड़ेगा
the-
ना कि हम कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं। तो अगर आप कन्वर्ट करोगे तो आपको भी SUV हाई एंड कार्स मिलेंगे मगर ये एंटीक कार नहीं मिलेगा। That is the thing.
Vintage.
हाँ, it's like
So vintage.
इतना जो मैं पंप कर रहा हूँ ना, अगर इस पे लाइक नहीं आया ना, खत्म।
But
But
for that
actually-
you have to give them a good view of the car and
I will. मैंने उनको बोला है, मैं शेयर करूंगा।
like a proper
It
video.
looks so cool and कलर तो चुम्मा है भाई,
Yeah,
चुम्मा।
it's really nice. It's
So good,
pretty.
so good.
Especially because we are wearing white, so it's like a contrast today.
हाँ, और एक चीज़ भैया ने बहुत अच्छे से इसको मेंटेन किया। सो मेंटेनेंस इसका बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत क्लीन, बहुत। एंड अब देखो ना कितने सारे फीचर्स है। बत्ती जलाओ, बत्ती बंद करो, पंखा का स्पीड करो, खिड़की खोल दो, व्हाटएवर, सब
This
कुछ
is like a paid leg space which
हाँ।
you do for your flight.
फ्लाइट का एक्सेल बुकिंग में भी इतना स्पेस नहीं होता जितना यहाँ।
Actually. Gorgeous. They're so
उनको
gorgeous.
समझ में आ गया कि AC कम है तो बेचारे दौड़ के आए, बोलते सॉरी, गाड़ी बंद किया उन्होंने, दौड़ के आके हमारा AC ऑन कर दिया बेचारे ने।
And I've seen this, I like noticed in like 3 to 4 days, they're very courteous. They're not like, you know, पैसे दे रहे हैं तो
हाँ।
कोई बात नहीं.
वो granted वाला scene नहीं है।
No. It's not like
पैसा
यार ये मेरा गाड़ी में बैठा है ना. No, they're very
Very
courteous. Like even if you're
Everyone.
paying, not just in this taxi, like wherever
For
we
any,
went,
हाँ.
in the restaurants also. I mean, you know, we've got that thing the customer is God, and then we just do it for the sake of doing, but they do it literally thinking that you're a God.
और yesterday तो we went to a place with the pizza company और वहाँ पे एक टर्किश बंदा था तो उसे समझ में नहीं आ रहा था and they
Yeah,
were
that was
putting
so cute.
1000% effort वो बंदी डाली है just
Just to-
पिज्जा का ऑर्डर लेने।
Yeah, it was like
I mean-
literally, I was seeing like it was not less than 15 minutes. She like literally stood over there.
Book,
She got
Calcutta,
2-3
translate,
menus. And
everything.
then, yeah, she got it translated. She gave him options. If you don't want this, it was like really nice. I mean, who does that?
I mean इतना तो
But should be done. That's what I think.
Oh my God! Wow! क्या चीजें यहाँ I mean लोग आते हैं बैंकॉक फुकट अलग रीजनों के लिए मगर ये चीजें यहाँ ब्यूटी है। यहाँ के लोग भी बहुत अच्छे हैं।
Really nice. Like when you cross the road, also the person is coming at a high speed, but
Still they will
and they
slow
don't
down.
honk. They don't honk here.
They don't
at all.
honk out here.
So like if you're about to cross the road, they will come, they'll stop, and then they'll be like, go.
Up down,
They'll
up
be
down.
like that,
हाँ.
and then
वो
you
courtesy.
need to go, and then I've seen this locals do this. Like when they're allowed to pass, they stand, they give a smile to the person who's given them the pass, and they'll be like, thank you. So this is very beautiful. This is I really adore this. I wish we had this in our country as well.
अपना पहाड़ भी दिखाते हैं। बहुत भक्ति ज्ञान दे दिया हम लोगों ने। अब थोड़ा बाहर के नज़ारे भी दिखाते
But
हैं
this is very important.
वरना लोग बोलेंगे हाँ फुकट भैया कि डैम भी होता है।
No, but we should learn this.
ये तो है, अच्छी चीज़ हमेशा सीखनी चाहिए, क्योंकि हमारे यहाँ भी होता है, ऐसा नहीं कि हमारे यहाँ
There's
courtesy नहीं है।
one thing is there that they know this, that if we give a bad, treatment, then this, I mean, we will not be able to like make business. The entire business is out of tourism. And for tourism, you need to have that kind of etiquette, that kind of kindness.
For it. Here it comes. Almost there.
नहीं बोलिए दीदी, बोलिए, आज आप बोलिए, आज आपका
I mean,
दिन।
I would anytime, like, if I even want to come alone, I can be like, chalo. I don't have to think twice.
हाँ,
That's the beauty.
और कुछ दीदी, और कुछ?
नहीं, मैं बाद में याद आएगा तो बोल दूंगी.
नहीं बोलिए बोलिए।
Ah, no. You have just killed it. You know, whatever I said, you just killed it. They'll be like, हाँ सही बोल रहा है बंदा. ये बंदी बहुत बोलती है.
ऐसा नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं है। उनको भी पता है कि बंदी सही बोलती है, बट उनको ये भी पता है कि ज्यादा बोल रही है, थोड़ा ब्रेक भी होना चाहिए। So, जो चलिए अब आपको बाहर के नज़ारे दिखाते हैं। स्विच। गाइस, जैसे मैंने कहा था, ये रहा गाड़ी, एशियन कंपनी का है। दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स, इट गिव्स द ओल्ड विंटेज लुक। टैक्सी लुक, it is full.
Almost reached Big Buddha. Now we're just walking towards the temple. Yeah, it's quite sunny. You haven't carried your cap also? You didn't carry your sunglasses also? Very good.
Because I'm alright.
Oof. This is beautiful. Also for females, a quick update: if you are wearing any kind of flashy type of outfit, because it's hot, so you are like it's very natural to wear that. So what I would suggest you to do, or what I did, is because my dress was sleeveless, so what I did is I carried a soft kind of linen shirt. So you can carry any kind of shirt in your bag and just like put it on when you come to the temple, and when you sit back in your car you can just like take it off. So yeah, that's a quick thing. Otherwise, even if you're not carrying, they will give you something to wear. The moment they see at the entrance that your outfit is not that covered, they will stop you, and then they will ask you to wear whatever they give you, like a wrapper, or if it's short, then a wrapper.
and then if your arms are showing or something, then on the upper side they will give you a shirt. So yeah, here we are, majestic Buddha. So we got to walk all the way up now. Quite sunny, and this is the place where you can see the entire Phuket. So this is like kind of a viewpoint. Yeah, it's a viewpoint. It's beautiful. You can see the beauty of Phuket all the way from Big Buddha. This is a viewpoint from where you can see the entire city. It's beautiful. It just seems like there's, on the left side you have the city, the land, and on the right side you have the sea. So beautiful. This is where we are heading to, right on the top of the temple right now. You have, you can just take a leaf and then just write it down and then put it out to God, and hopefully by God's grace it will be fulfilled. So this is beautiful. People from all over the world have taken leaves and then they have written it. तो आप भी ले सकते हो और अपनी विश लिख सकते हो उस पे, एंड आप गॉड के आगे दे सकते हो, एंड बाय गॉड्स ग्रेस वो मन्नत पूरी हो जाती है, ऐसा इनका कहना है एंड विश्वास है. We have reached this particular old town. What is it called basically?
It's in a Sino-European architecture.
Sino-European architecture.
Portuguese architecture.
Okay, so basically we've come here and what you can see here is like flea markets, old architectural buildings, basically European style, so all vintage basically, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Although it's very beautiful, but I think it's a wrong idea to come in the broad daylight. So for people who are planning to come to a Sino-European architectural site, we thought it's a Sunday, so there's a flea market on Sunday, and also we were on the way from the Big Buddha, so we thought to do this, we thought to cover it right today on our way back home. But all I can say is I think it's not a good idea to come in the broad daylight. The sun is right on the head. It's right above the head, so it's very, very hot. It's scorching heat. Yeah.
Come here to photographs. Then it's the good time because there's less people up here. But yeah, if you want to enjoy the flea market, then it's better you come here by 6.
Because as I can see, even the market is just getting started. They are getting things set, and yeah. So I mean, from his point of view, because he's got that photographic point of view, so that way you have the natural light. So obviously it's good. But apart from that, it's very hot, guys. Very hot. You can see the buildings here. So that's a great place to shop. Like, you'll get this cool, airy t-shirts and dresses. And for us Indians, anything cool and airy clothing is a win-win situation because we'll be needing that all over the year in the hot summers and the hot climate of India. So yeah, good deal. You have juices, again, clothing shop. Like I said, they're just getting started. They're just getting things set up for the market in the evening. It's so beautiful, guys. Can you see that? Oh, I'm definitely going to get pictures there. Such beautiful color. Pastel pink, my favorite. In fact, the entire lane is like this. It's really pretty.
Ready? Okay. There's a big loaf here. You gotta walk. Okay. Thank you. Welcome. You're welcome.
तो भाइयों, अभी यहाँ पे फ्ली मार्केट की तैयारी हो रही है फिलहाल। संडे नाइट मार्केट लगता है और हम कुछ ज़्यादा ही जल्दी पहुँच गए हैं। All right, front. This is
for those of you who love mochi, yes, do come and try it on the Sunday market. It's really, really nice. And also we found out a restaurant. Like here you get an authentic Thai or Chinese food. It's really, really nice, and the price is also not that much. It's really reasonable, and the food is really nice. So you can come here and try. Yeah.
Hi guys. फाइनली द डे इज डन. हम लोगों ने घूम लिया बिग बुद्धा. वच्चरों को बाहर से हम लोगों ने देखा. एंड देन द टॉप ऑफ द टाउन, दी फुकेट ओल्ड टाउन, ये भी घूमना हो गया. एंड नाउ वी आर बैक टू आवर होटल. शी इज नॉट फीलिंग सो वेल. यू कैन सी little sleepy. At the
I'm
same
totally
time,
burnt.
she's burned with my jokes as well as the son of Phuket. बेचारी कल का हमारा ज़्यादा ही सनबर्न हो गया बिकॉज ऑफ आउटडोर एक्टिविटीज. जस्ट हैव अ ग्लिम्स. आप भी देख लो जाते जाते. द सिटी लुक्स. So this place is quite similar to our India's fountain house in Goa. It gives you the old Portuguese vibe. You know, we are going back and we'll keep you posted. Or should we call it a day? Let's see.
Hope you all enjoyed the majestic Buddha temple and the aesthetic old Phuket town. Stay tuned for more. Until then, eat, burp and repeat. This is your Clarence Singh signing off. Love you. Bye.